Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Heimerdinger in Wild Rift. Heimerdinger excels at area control and objective securing. His core ability is his H-28G evolution turret, which you should place strategically. These turrets automatically attack nearby enemies, prioritizing champions and large monsters. They deal significant damage and are crucial for pushing lanes and defending positions. Always aim to have 3 turrets active to maximize your damage output and zone control. Next, let's discuss his other abilities. His Hextech Micro Rockets, or W, fire 5 rockets in a cone, dealing burst damage to enemies. His CH-2 Electron Storm Grenade, or E, throws a grenade that damages and slows enemies, stunning those in the center. A great combo involves stunning an enemy with your grenade, then following up with your rockets and turret fire for massive damage. Practice landing your grenade for maximum impact. Heimerdinger's ultimate, Upgrade, empowers his next basic ability. You can choose to supercharge a turret, making it larger and more powerful, firing for 8 seconds. Alternatively, you can launch a volley of 9 rockets, dealing immense area damage, or throw a massive grenade that bounces 3 times, creating a larger stun zone. Each option offers unique tactical advantages, so choose wisely based on the situation. Finally, let's talk about positioning and strategy. Always try to stay behind your turrets, using them as a frontline shield. Place them in bushes or around corners to surprise enemies. Control key areas like jungle entrances or objective pits with 3 turrets to deny access. Remember, Heimerdinger is a zone control mage, so anticipate enemy movements and set up your defenses proactively. Adapt your item build to counter specific threats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.